Asuntoskeittiö Neilikkaketo.
Yeah, today it's the 22nd of May 2023. We have Neilikkatie 4,5 stekesei with film stakes here, just in case. I think I've been to the stakes here before, but I'm not sure if it was this building or not. But
Yeah.
there's a lot here. I think the best is point, but I'm 20 grams. Oh, the light is quite dim, but maybe you can see something. It was built in 1970 by ValmetSchlieren and turned 50 years old in 2020. Museum press fee is 22.30. It will be inspected in 2025. I love the smell in here.
Same.
The chef is nice.
Yeah.
Oh. Strange.
Yeah. Niissä teet vaikka väis, että me teen vaikka kouni.
Yes, and it says here in Tikkurila, Helsinki, sports region, also in Finland. Oh, I have to press properly. And I must say, I really love the atmosphere. It's so late 60s or 70s.
Yeah.
And they're going to build a Vantaa light rail close to it, so they're going to make a decision on it today in the city council.